Oh dear God. Oh dear God. Oh, good God. Oh. Things go burr.
Of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service.
Things that burr.
If there is a threat of severe weather, will be postponed to the next available good weather day. To provide the most consistent warning
That's
service
5
possible,
stations.
the warning alarm will
That's
only
5
be
stations.
activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area.
It's a goof.
This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be a good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area.
Alright, so TFT relay is 1. KHP36, WXM42, WXM43, WNG736, that's 5, and that's basically it. I got 5 EAS alerts captures with this. Good job, Sterling. This one off for it. This one off for it. Bruh moment. That's pretty good. This failed to activate, but I don't really give a shit, because that normally fails when that's WXM43, but did this go off at least? Yes. Good job. You almost had perfect activation today. Good job, Sterling. You tested decently on time.